All right, we've got the MP60 installed. It's down here in the cupboard. It's connected to this amplifier and connected to both the TVs. This is a little Intel, Celeron. So let me quickly show you the brackets. These are the North Bayous. Both of these 75-inch TVs are hanging from this, and the brackets can take a lot of weight. Let me just quickly get a better light, or my flashlight on the camera. Yeah, but in any case, so it's there we go. Now you can see better. This bracket can move side to side, up, down, or not up and down. I mean, it can be moved left and right and swivel, and it can also be tilted. Everything is nicely hidden behind the TV. All the cables can go through those brackets and down the little trunking we put on the wall. That trunking will be painted later. And yeah, let me quickly show you if we swivel the TVs. It's very easy to swivel. There you go. You can move it actually side to side also, but this is just to show you it's so easy to just swivel it. It can also tilt horizontally a little bit left and right, but yeah, that's it. So cool. Just wanted to show you our installation on that MP60.